Okay.
Ready? We'll get out of the way.
Is it?
No, I smell something funny in the shoe.
So the formula for fermented formula was developed right here in IMPA. Look at this. This
Do it again,
cat is
Case.
sucking
Get her
down
attention.
this rich milk.
Come on, Lily.
Bounce it.
Just like I suck down a chocolate shake. Just loving it. And
Right in the face.
Experience. With one of the most
I wonder if my cat would do
endangered
that.
animals living here. A reminder that we're all stewards for this great planet of ours.
Every time.
Until we meet again, I will
You're gonna put that up on YouTube.
see you on our next experience somewhere great in the world.
Gonna get it, Littles?
Don't touch it, mine.
Oh, got her in the nose. Got it in the nose. Lily.
Oh, wrong way.
You should see with the big one.
Oh, look at this. She's like, oh, what's that? You want to get down and play?
Oh, look at it grinning. The cat's retarded.
You should send that into home funny videos.
Look at you.
Hey, if you win, I get a little percentage going.
Well, yeah.
Well, Terry, I went up and talked to one of our friends. We might have our movie paid for.
What movie?
The one I've been writing.
That was a
You
good
didn't
one.
know that she gets killed in it? She didn't told you?
Oh, that's right, too.
Yeah, I told you, every movie she makes, I get killed in.
She gets killed by a ghost in this one.
I wish this thing went wider screen.
She jumps before she gets to it. But anyway, the movie that we did in Augusta, I guess the director freaked out on our